Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2013 Mazda 2 TS2. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to 44 miles to the gallon. A low insurance group of 12, so ideal for new drivers. And this is a two-owner vehicle with a very low mileage of just over 16,000 miles and comes with 12 services in total, so very impressive service history. This particular colour is the Metallic Metropolitan Grey and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you also have the equally nice and clean interior. The fabric on the seats there is a nice hard-wearing fabric. There's a cup holder in the centre for the front passengers. And then off the dashboard, you have your FM radio and CD player there in the centre with air conditioning. And you've also got the controls for the radio on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. And then finally, on the driver's door card, you then have your electric folding mirrors and front window controls. For a small hatchback, you have a good amount of legroom and headroom in the back. The rear bench also has 3 individual seat belts. And opening the tailgate reveals a nice deep boot there with the rear seats that can be folded flat and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you then also have your tyre inflator kit just below. Externally, the car comes with the 15-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.